pasta with a Poblano cream sauce. If you want to add a protein, like enchilada suiza, you can use some pulled cooked chicken or rotisserie chicken like we have here. Or John wanted shrimp in his today, so he is taking, can I just steal one?
Yes.
He's taking peeled, deveined shrimp, and he's splitting it across, and it turns into little curly cues when you saute it up in a pan. So I've got water coming up to a boil. I've got a pan getting hot over between medium and medium-high heat here. And we're going to get an onion going in some olive oil. Honey, go give that a flip and a little salt and pepper.
Flip time.
Oh, John loves the flips.
Okay.
Okay? And now we're going to add cumin, which is smoky but not spicy at all. And we're going to add either epazote, that's this funny looking leaf here, and this is it, ground, or oregano. Everyone can get oregano. We have Mexican oregano here. Epazote is a slightly different flavor. It's earthy, but similar, so you can substitute that if you can't grab epazote in your local market. Go. All right, now here you can grate in a couple of these. We have some garlic, and we're gonna let the garlic cook down. This needs more oil, I think. A little olive oil to get the onions going. I'm gonna go crazy and add a sprinkle of oregano and epazote. How about that? These funny things are called gili, and these are little lilies. Okay, now you can go, buddy. And salt your water.
It's already salted.
Meanwhile, we have 5 Poblano peppers all day. So 3 of them, and we're gonna go through the process in 1 sec, are gonna go into the food processor. And I'm gonna puree them. Boom. So for the peppers, you turn the broiler on high and throw them under the broiler and get them black all over, okay? That's that little trick I said, how to cook the onions out quick. Just add another splash of water, buy myself some time. So, you char them under the broiler till they look like this. You throw a lid or a piece of foil or a cloth over the bowl, let it cool. When you can handle them, you peel them and seed them. The shrimp can get going too. Can you cook 2 things at once for me? Drop the shrimp into the pan, and the pan's hot. The back pan there.
Pan is definitely hot.
Slide it in there. Okay, so salt and pepper on our shrimp. You can mirror the flavor in the sauce. A little cumin, a little oregano or epazote. There you go. And when the shrimp or protein that you're using are done, you can add the juice of some lime. We're also going to add lime to our onions in case you're having this as vegetarian. Add a little splash of lime to this guy. And we're going to add all of our puree. And we're going to add our corn. And now I'm going to add the crema or heavy cream.
These shrimp may be close to pretty much close to
They're beautiful.
Take them off,
So
maybe?
now we're basically just going to wait for the pasta. And I'm going to slice the whole pepper so we have texture in the dish. And then chop the other direction. And there we go. So John is draining our lily-shaped pasta. So we're going to put the pasta back in the hot pot. We're going to add all of our sauce and our shrimp or chicken or straight up vegetarian. So now we're going to add the cotija cheese, kind of like a Mexican parm to me. A little splash of starchy cooking water to emulsify the cheese to the pasta. Oh, wow, does that look amazing?
Wow.
And now we're going to add more texture with our papitas. And then a little cilantro or parsley and a little extra squirt of lime. Woo!
It smells
Party in a bowl.
Smells just like suizas.
Nicely done. Thank you for helping.
Good job.